Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix or not send message in Messenger on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and whenever you try to send a message using your Facebook Messenger, you find a this type error that your message couldn't send. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first is that sometimes it might help due to the second person's privacy. So you have to request the person that he have to send you a message, and once they have sent you a single message you'll be able to chat with them. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue that your message cannot be sent, so you have to check your network that there is no any network issue. You are connected to any stable or strongest network connection. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will fix or it will refresh your network settings and go for settings app here, go for general here, and you have to check if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back, open your app store here, search for Messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Messenger app. If you find pending updates, try to update your Messenger app, and after updating you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not, or if it's still not fixed. So you have to open your settings app, go for general app here, go for iPhone storage here, and you just have to look for Messenger app here. Once you find Messenger, you can try to offload your app, or if you're on your Android, try to clear cache or clear storage. So I'm going to offload my app here. Once you offload into app, tap on this reinstall option, and after that the app will be reinstalled on your phone. If you have just offloaded your app, it will not delete your app data. So you just have to wait for it until your app reinstalls. And after reinstalling, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.